Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, this is the Bella's Family channel. We do a lot of challenges, family vlog and random videos, cooking recipe and many more. So if this is your first time, please don't hesitate to hit that notification bell. And to our returning subscriber, I thank and appreciate you all for the love and support. Thank you guys. In this video guys, I'm going to be reviewing my new HP laptop guys. So guys, I've never used a HP laptop before. This is actually my first time. I have the Dell laptop, and the other one I was using again now is the Lenovo laptop. So this is actually my first time of having the HP laptop. This laptop is 39.6 centimeter and it have 512 GB SSD. So I bought this laptop from O2. O2 is actually a German company, but I don't know if they have O2 in another country, and it cost 446 euro. Then plus the shipping, I paid €5 for the shipping. It was 450 something euro. That is what the laptop cost. So guys, we are going to be unboxing it together. So let me put the camera down a little bit guys. So this is it. Let me open it a little guys. Okay, guys, this is it. Wow, like it's very light, guys. Look at the laptop. Look at it, guys. It's very light. So I'm taking off this and this. Okay, look at it guys. I just love the laptop because it's very light. It's not very heavy. Wow. Okay, look at the inside guys. Look at it. Look at it. This is it. Okay, this is the laptop. Let me see what other things we have inside the carton. Okay, so there's nothing much. It's just the okay, I think this is how to put the battery inside, and this also this is the charger that came with it guys. So that is it for the lap. Look at the charger thing here is going in here. Okay, Okay, here is to charge it. So I know I just have to charge it, guys, and on it, let's get started. So that is it, guys. So I think the laptop is really nice and it has a very light weight. It's not heavy like some other laptops. So I think I really love it, and I love the color. Actually, guys, I love this color. So please, if you love this video, give me a huge thumbs up and drop a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.